omukoro gukutongoza kwirukanga oku kubira hari Lozaho Kololo kandi gwetabira umuba minister barimu Honorable Godfrey Kabyanga wa ICT hamuna no by'uburambuzi Martin Mugara bahinduka.
Kasese is the Rwenzori region is too huge. The potential there is huge. Amos is only speaking for the marathon for now, but he's also tourism area within the Rwenzori. I'll just tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things about the Rwenzori, so that after running, you can do a few other activities. If you want, like the beautiful Rwenzori, the highest non-volcanic mountain in the whole world. If you want, you can hike. It takes around 10 days, and it's very safe. And trust me, it is an experience you wouldn't want to miss.
Around 2019, we started as a district, and we decided that Kasese should be the tourist district of Uganda. For Porto is the tourist city, but for us we are the tourist district of Uganda. And I think working with Mr. Wekesa and all the sponsors, we are going to achieve this.
Abanda bakira mukoro guhabira harimo ime hashakumana urukurwo mu Nairobi Breweries abaherizo bushaki bwa miliyoni 8.
Process Tascalite, this is about the long term. So last year when we got into the marathon, it wasn't about last year, it was really about the long term vision that we have. And a big chunk of what we shall be doing is also advertising it. And not just advertising it for all Ugandans to see, it's really to advertise and create a very positive spotlight for the marathon and Uganda at large.
Our dream is that in the next 10 years, Kasese should have at least 15,000 rooms. That is what our dream is focusing on. Now, in terms of positioning the marathon, we have hired a company in the UK called Pin Drop. Pin Drop, if you've seen those nice big articles, are because of Pin Drop. So we are paying Pin Drop actually to do the marketing.
Kurugera abatebekansa abiri kibarukurengo mu 13 nibo barukutekateka kwiza kweta mu mpaka zo kwirukanga uko kwa Rwenzori Marathon 2023 kandi esente z'abasinguzi zeyongere kuruga hano miliyoni 50 kugenda aha miliyoni 100.